friends, Mrs. Hensley has decided that she wants to do the letter sound chart with you in person today. Fun, isn't it? Okay, so I want you to follow along with Mrs. Hensley. If you want to get your yellow sound letter chart from your fish folder, you may do that to follow along with me with your iReader, or you may follow along with me here, okay? So, try to get it a little bit closer here so you can see. You might not fully see Mrs. Hensley, but that's okay. You don't need to see Mrs. Hensley anyway, do you? It would be nice if I could get it like this, but I don't have anything there. Okay, so it's going to kind of be in an angle, okay? So here we go. I hope you're ready. Are you ready? Maybe. Let me put a book under there and see if that will help. I think that would help a lot, is what I think. Oh, there we go. It's not as crooked, is it? Okay, so here we go. I want you guys to follow along with Mrs. Hensley, okay? Following along with Mrs. Hensley. Okay, it's still crooked. It's going to drive Mrs. Hensley crazy. Maybe if I move it over here, maybe that will be better. I don't know. We'll see, right? Okay. Sorry, you guys. I'm wasting your time. I'm sorry. Okay. Got a little bit of a glare that we didn't have a few minutes ago. Okay, here we go. A, apple, A. B, bat, B. C, cat, C. D, dog, D. E, ed, E. F, fun, F. G, game, G. H, hat, H. I, itch, I. J, J. J, jug, J. K, kite, K. L, lamp, L. M, man, N, nut, N. O, octopus, ah. P, pan, P. Q, U, queen, qu. R, rat, S, snake, S. And S, bugs, Z. T, top, T. U, up, V, van, V. W, wind, W. X, fox, X. Y, yellow, Y. Z, zebra, Z. W, H, whistle, W. C, H, chin, Ch. S, H, ship, Sh. T, H, thumb, F. Oh, there's that naughty TH. C, K at the end of sock. C, K, sock, Mrs. Hensley. C, K, sock, K. I wanted to say the beginning sound because that's what we did with all of these. But sock is K at the end. C-K at the end. Okay, I'm so glad you guys could do that with Mrs. Hensley today. If you want to practice one more time, you may watch the video again. The better you get at it, the better you're going to be. The more practice you get, the better you will be. I hope you guys have a terrific Tuesday, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, friends.